For strategy 2, I am using the writing translation as the intermediate level strategy because they have more of a grasp of English language, but not 100%. So they are still limited. So in this activity that we do, it is going to be based on the techniques of scientific investigation and reasoning. They're going to collect and record data by observing and measuring, using the metric system and using descriptive words and numerals such as labeled drawings, writings, and concept maps. So we're actually going to do something in response to the concept map that we're going to draw. So we're going to draw a concept map based on plants and measurements that they are going to do at home. They're going to measure plants, and then we're going to come back to class and talk about it and draw a concept map together. After we draw the concept map, these students are going to write down their observations and what they learned from the concept maps in their own language, and then they're going to skip a line and translate it into English. This is going to give them the opportunity to use an English and Spanish dictionary along with the translation dictionary. And I'm going to help the students that need help on translating. So they are going to do that, and that will be their whole activity for this one.